Hello and welcome. In this video, short video, I will tell you how you can highlight a row, complete row based on some condition. For example, this is my list of projects, and once the project is complete or part of the project is complete, I can change the status to complete, and automatically the row will be highlighted based on my color selection, color choice. So now if I choose not started, it's a different color. If I select in progress, it's a different color, and if I select complete, then it's another green color to indicate that it is complete. So how it is done, let's start that. So first of all, you have to select the rows, complete rows, in which you want to apply this rule, and then go to format, conditional formatting, and because I have already applied the rule is shown here. These are the two rules I have applied, because I have rule for complete and I have rule for in progress. So this is the in progress color selection, and this is my complete. Now I can add another rule as well. So there is many rules you can apply and do whatever you want to do. So for example, I have the rule for complete. You see, when you create this one, go to conditional formatting. First time when you see nothing is there, you click add another rule. The same sentence will be there in the beginning when nothing is there. You click that and this will be opened. Apply the range that you have selected. So this is the range I have selected, and then you select from the drop down the last option, custom formula is equal to, and then you put the row and column cell number, cell address, and then you put the condition. So this part is the condition. If my dollar is to make sure that my condition is checking column number A, and then 7 is the beginning one, the first one, equal to complete. So before 7, if you put like this, then it is only applicable to row 7 column A, that means A7. But if you delete that, if you don't use the dollar sign before 7, that means it applies to all the row. So now you have applied this and press OK. The first thing, once you have the rule, now you want to apply the background color and font color. So I have selected the green font and the dark green as a background. So I'm done with that, and it is applied. Now for the in progress, I have another formula used, and this different color because to indicate it's a different status. So this is, I have selection of color and font color, and this is the same formula, $sign A7. So I have selected the first cell, then equal to in progress, and it will apply to all the rows. That's how it is done. So hope it was clear enough, and see you soon.